Once you've completed Send to Amazon Step 1, Confirm Inventory to Send, you're ready for Step 2, Confirm Shipping. At the top of the page, you'll see your shipment method, which selects where you ship your products to. Amazon Fulfillment Center will be selected by default. If your shipment is eligible, you may see the option to select Amazon Warehousing and Distribution. Selecting this option will take you to the Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) workflow. You can learn more about AWD by searching for Intro to Amazon Warehousing and Distribution in Seller University. Next, you'll select your placement option. Start by choosing your shipping method between Small Parcel Delivery (SPD), which are boxes that are individually labeled, and Less Than and Full Truckload (LTL, FTL) delivery, and whether you will be using an Amazon partnered carrier or a non-Amazon partnered carrier. Using an Amazon partnered carrier offers discounted rates and in-workflow label printing. If using a non-Amazon partnered carrier, you will be asked to provide a delivery window, which is the calendar week when you expect your shipments to arrive at Amazon. You will then see the available shipment options and partnered carrier and placement costs. During busy periods, certain shipment options may be unavailable or listed with potential for delays. You may also see an option to adjust your delivery window or freight-ready date to reduce delays. You can adjust your selections to recalculate potential shipping costs and minimize delays until you find an option that best fits your business. However, it is essential that your delivery window or freight-ready date is accurate. Accurate dates allow us to properly manage inventory and reduce delays, and any information related to received delays or options being unavailable are specific to the dates provided. Underneath the shipment options, you will see cards for each shipment you will be sending to a fulfillment center. In most cases, shipping plans will consist of up to 5 shipments. Each card is automatically updated with the selections you choose in the Shipment Options section above. If you selected Small Parcel Delivery with a non-Amazon partnered carrier, you will need to select your carrier from the drop-down. The same carrier must be used for all small parcel shipments in a workflow. Note that any changes made to the shipment cards may impact the estimated total cost. Finally, review the estimated shipping and placement charges in the bottom right corner before accepting and confirming shipping. You're now ready to move on to Send to Amazon Step 3, Print Box Labels.